Hi, this is Kelley Holmes from MyPRINTResource, and we have the pleasure of interviewing Guy Gecht, the CEO of EFI, here today at the ISA show. Thanks for joining me.
Kelley, thank you for inviting me to your beautiful studio here at the show.
Thank you, thank you. EFI just released its first quarter earnings of $189 million. Congratulations first.
Thank you very much.
And to what do you attribute the 10% growth that you've seen in the numbers in the first quarter?
If I have to pick one reason why we are growing 10% and continue to grow nicely is our customers are growing. Most of our sales going to the same customers, loyal customers that growing their business. So our focus is making sure our customers can grow their business. Customers are better in growing than we are. If you look at our UV ink volume, it was up 24%, so 2.5 times the growth of EFI. And that's in one line the secret to EFI growth. Customers are growing.
Amazing. And I understand today from your press conference that your ViewTech division represents 50% of those revenues?
It's inkjet, it's 50%.
Inkjet,
The
okay.
largest brand we sell is ViewTech, but we have Cretaprint, we have Jetrion, and so on.
Okay, and that's just amazing, right?
Thank you, yes.
I mean, because it wasn't too long ago that you weren't even in that side
We were
of
a
the
little
market.
software company, yes.
Right.
And now, but you know, it's first of all, it's longer than we like to think. But you know, inkjet is an amazing technology. You can print on any surfaces. Now when we introduce LED across the board, you can print on things that are smaller and slimmer you couldn't print before. And with that, customers take it to the next level. We call it the imaging of things. They print on a lot of materials. They get a lot better margin than printing documents or the normal traditional print. And there's a lot more growth with analog conceding to digital. And there's a lot more to go. And so inkjet, we got great group of people. We continue to hire, continue to expand, continue to invest, and our customers are benefiting with that. And there's a lot more growth to come. And now it's 50% of our business. My prediction is in a couple of years, it's going to be a lot more than that.
Oh, I hope so. I hope we're still here having the conversation
Of
about
course
it.
we'll be here. Where else we want to be?
Right, indeed. So you just announced the acquisition of the group Rapso, which is a printing and packaging developing company, software development company.
That was
Did I
actually an
get that
interesting
right?
acquisition. You got it on 95% deal.
Okay.
It's actually two companies that were owned by the same financial investors. One is an MIS company in France, servicing France and the French-speaking countries. And the other one was a packaging software scheduling for corrugated based in Germany.
Okay.
And they were under the same management and ownership. We bought them for two different reasons. The one in France will help us to grow our sales in France, just to bring a complete portfolio, have a local support, speak the language, know the local rules, which is what we've been doing in Europe for a few years, and it's working extremely well. Of course, we've continued to invest a lot in packaging. Our HS100 now is selling to packaging. We're seeing tremendous interest and response. And so we want to grow the software offering, and what they have there is it's called PC Top. It's the scheduling for packaging. It's a great addition to our portfolio.
And so will that part of the business actually be in the MIS
Yeah,
division?
so we call it
Okay.
productivity software, and it will be part of it.
Awesome, awesome. Now EFI is a sponsor here at ISA, always. It's
Always.
one of your biggest shows, I believe.
It's one of the biggest shows there, certainly in the US.
Great. Now, what is the message that you want attendees of this show to come away with? I know that's a big question because you have so many different product lines, but there's a lot going on in the booth over at EFI. So what's the general kind of question that you want them to walk out of the booth
It's
with?
very simple. There's tremendous amount growth opportunity. Never in the history of our industry there was so much growth opportunities because of multiple things. Analog going to digital, the capabilities of printers, using LED technology, using the ink technology that we have to print on any material at very high quality. And today you don't need to compromise anymore between speed, quality, and flexibility as far as how many substances you can print on. So that this combination is opening the door to unprecedented amount of opportunities. Our customers are growing very fast. We like to continue to do that. We're going to continue to invest more than anybody else in the industry in R&D, in support, and making sure that they're buying the best products in the industry, they also get the best support down the road. So the message is the opportunity is there, and don't miss it.
And so I've seen applications come out of the EFI booth, printing on guitars, printing on guitar picks, printing on doors, printing on, I mean, is there any end to this, or?
This is a very interesting type of technology. We don't sit in the lab, the engineers don't sit in the lab and says, let's build a printer, somebody's going to print on guitar. With the bullet proof vest that we saw in Connect, or all the flip-flops in Brazil that they print. They want to make sure it's as flexible that you can print high speed, high quality on any material. And then customers are finding application we never thought about. So guitar is one application. You can see many other applications there. So this is the beauty of it. We don't tell customers what to focus on. We just give them the best weapon, most reliable weapon to go find their niche and become very successful in this.
Well, you've done a great job at that for sure, because our readers actually voted for you in the ink category in the thermoforming ink. So this is a Reader Choice Award.
Thank you very much.
And so it's given to you by Wide Format Imaging as one of the Wide Format Imaging top products. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
We have an awesome team of engineers on the ink, and ink is a very important core technology for EFI, and they did a great job with that, as well as some other type of ink technology. And so seeing customers taking that to the next level, and have your readers actually, not a group of judges that we of course always appreciate too, but the readers selected that to be the best product, that would be fantastic, and I'm sure they'll be delighted to hear about this award, so thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And is there any other message you would like to send to our audience today?
I think you covered everything, and I think this audience should pay a lot more attention to what happened in MyPRINTResources.com. There's a lot of good stuff there, and,
Thank you.
including this interview.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I
Kim.
appreciate that.
All right.
So
Good to
thanks
talk
for
to you.
joining me.
No problem.